Another complete oxide solid-state electrolyte production line is on its way overseas. Recently, Boyee has officially shipped a turnkey oxide solid-state electrolyte production line to a Korean customer. After manufacturing, assembly, and preparation for factory acceptance, the equipment was dispatched to the project site in Korea. This delivery is not a single piece of equipment, but a complete production line system designed around the oxide solid-state electrolyte manufacturing process. Scaling from lab-scale validation to industrial-scale production tests not only the stability of core equipment, but also the equipment supplier's overall capabilities in process understanding, system integration, engineering design, and complete production line delivery. The successful shipment of this Korean project marks another milestone for Boyee as it expands into overseas markets with its oxide solid-state electrolyte production line solutions. It also reflects overseas customers' recognition of Boyee's capabilities in R&D, equipment manufacturing, and engineering delivery. From domestic project implementation to overseas turnkey production line delivery, Boyee continues to bring intelligent equipment and complete production line solutions for new energy materials to the global markets.